How to get home button on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can get home button on Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started. So in order to enable the traditional home button on your Realme device, you will need to switch from gesture navigation to the 3-button navigation mode, and here's how you can do it on your device. First of all, launch the settings in your device. Scroll down and tap on System. Under System, there is an option as Gestures. Tap on it, and here tap on the first option, System Navigation. Here you have 3 options: Gesture Navigation, 2-button navigation, and 3-button navigation. Now to get home button on your screen, select the last option, that is 3-button navigation mode. Once you have done that, now if you go back and wait for a while, there you can see the home button is now displayed on your Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.